Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to solve a question from your book, question number 62. Okay, question is there on your screen now. So I am reading the question for you. Given below is the balance sheet of A and B who are carrying on partnership business on 31st March 2018. A and B share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Now this is the balance sheet of A and B on 31st March 2018, in which bills payable is given 10,000, creditors 58,000, outstanding expenses 2,000, capital A and B 180 and 150,000, total 3,30,000. Total of this liability side is 4 lakhs. Asset side, when we see cash at hand 10,000, cash at bank 40,000, sundry debtors 60,000, stock 40,000, plant 1 lakh, building 1,50,000 is there. Now some adjustment. C is admitted as a partner on the date of the balance sheet as on the following terms. A, C will bring in rupees 1 lakh as his capital and 60,000 as his share of goodwill for 1/4 share in the profit. Now 1/4 share is taking and bringing 1 lakh for capital, 60,000 for goodwill. Plant is to be appreciated by 1,20,000 as the value of building is to be appreciated by 10%. तो plant की value बढ़ी 20,000 से and building की 10%. Stock is found overvalued by 4,000. It means stock is overvalued. Now we will reduce this thing. Provision of doubtful debts is to be created 5% of the sundry debtors. That is 60,000 debtors are there, 5%, 3,000 is there. Creditors were unrecorded to the extent of 1,000. So we will record this thing and creditors will increase with that value of creditors. So pass the necessary journal entries, prepare the revaluation account, partners capital account, and show the balance sheet after admission of the C. Okay, we have to solve. First of all, we'll make this revaluation account, and along with that we will prepare this capital account also, and after that balance sheet. Okay, let us try. So in this question, students, we have to make this revaluation account and capital account, and after that we will make balance sheet also. Okay, first of all we will make this revaluation and then capital account. So it says that in the question it says in the liability side there is no item which can be distributed among partners. Asset side also there is no such amount which are to be debited to the partners capital account. Here C is admitted and C will bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital. So as you know, journal entry will be what? Cash or bank account debit to capital, to C's capital account, to premium of goodwill. 1 lakh rupees capital account, C's capital account, and 60,000 rupees will be premium of goodwill. And he is bringing this for 1/4 share. So this 60,000 will be divided among partners in the ratio of 2:1 because they were distributing in that ratio. So here the next one it says plant is to be, and first of all capital account we will start. Then capital account of A and B is 1,80,000. So here we will take the balance. Here by balance brought down is 1,80,000 is the capital account of A and 1,50,000 of B. 1,50,000 of B. And C is bringing capital. C is bringing how much? 1 lakh rupees capital. So capital account, cash account debit to capital. So by bank we can say bank account debit. How much he is bringing? C, 1 lakh rupees is bringing. So 1 lakh rupees will show it here. And then 60,000 which is bringing, and now it will be debited 80,000, 60,000 of premium of goodwill it will be credited into the account of old partner in their profit sharing ratio. Means sacrificing ratio, and here profit sharing ratio is the sacrificing ratio, because new partners only this share is given. Okay, so 60,000 when will be divided into two partner in ratio 2:3, so it will be 2:1. 2:1 means 40 and 20. So 40,000 and 20,000. So by premium of goodwill, 40,000 and 20,000. This will put here. Okay. Then plant is to be appreciated to rupees 1,20,000. Means plant in the balance sheet value of the plant is 1 lakh rupees. 1,20,000. 20 by 20,000 it has increased. What is the entry? Journal entry. Plant account debit, because it is increasing, to revaluation account. So revaluation account is credited by plant account 20,000. Okay. Then comes the second one, because plant is increasing by 20,000. That's why we have put this entry. This stock is to find overvalued by 4,000. Stock is overvalued by 4,000. Now we will reduce. So by 4,000 it will be reduced. Stock was will reduce by 4,000. What is the entry? Stock will be credited here. Revaluation will be debited. So revaluation account debit to stock account. That is 4,000 rupees. Now will decrease. Then comes a provision of doubtful debts is to be created by 5%. Here also this is decreasing. So to provision for doubtful debts, and that is to be 5%. 5% of sundry debtors. Debtors of 60,000. 5% is 3,000 rupees. 5 6 are 30. 0 3,000. So 3,000 is the provision for doubtful debts. Then comes the next one. Creditors were unrecorded to the extent of 1,000. Creditors is a liability. Liability is unrecorded, it is increasing. So liability is credited if it is increasing. And revaluation account debit to creditors to unrecorded creditors. And this is how much? This is 1,000 rupees. Okay. Then we will find out this balance of this is how much it is. So, and it says so again we will study the question. Plant is to be appreciated to 1,20,000. 1 lakh plant, so 20,000 increase in plant. Then the value of building is to be appreciated by, the value of building is left. So value of building is to be appreciated by 10%. So value of building is 1,50,000. 10% 15,000. So by building 15,000. Okay, this is done. This stock is overvalued. We have reduced this thing here, and the provision of doubtful debts 5%, that we have already done. 3,000, 60,000, 5%. Then creditors unrecorded, so this we have done. So we will find out the balance here. To balance transfer, balance will gain or profit. Gain transferred to capital account of A and B. Okay, so we will total up it here. This is 35,000, and now the balance is how much here? So it is 4, 3, 7 and 8, 8, 7, 4, 3, 7, 8, 8 and 7, 15, carry 2, 15, 1, 2, 3, 27,000. So 27,000 will be distributed in the profit sharing, in this old profit sharing ratio. That was 2:1. To 2:1, 3 9 ja 27, so 9,000 and 9 2 ja 18, 18 and 9. Okay. So this is the revaluation account is prepared. Now this balance will be transferred to, this is the gain transferred to the partners capital account. So credit side by revaluation account, that is 18,000 in A's capital account and 9,000 to B's capital account. Okay. Now this is done. Okay. So entry is what for this? What is the journal entry? Journal entry is what? Here, partners capital account credited and revaluation account debited. So revaluation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account for gain or profit on revaluation account transferred to partners capital account. Now we'll take the balance here. See how much is the balance. So here total will do, this is 1 lakh, then 179, and this is 000, and this is 8, and 8 for 12, 13, 8 for 12, 13, and 2,38,000. So we will write it here, 238,000. So to balance carried down 2,38,000 here, and then 179, so 1,79,000 and 1 lakh of C. So 1 lakh is the. Now we'll make the balance sheet with that. Okay, we'll make the balance sheet. So here, while making the balance sheet, we'll take the capital account of this, and remaining all the balances except cash will be the same. Except cash and some of the assets which whose value were this decreased. Okay, that we'll take here. Friends, balance sheet we were making. So here I have this prepared this so that in less time we can prepare and save the space. Here in our old balance sheet there was cash of 10,000 rupees, bank was 40,000, and 1,60,000, 1 lakh capital and 60,000 premium of goodwill was brought by new partner C. So total cash at bank is now 2 lakh rupees. Okay, this is stock. Stock was earlier 40,000, and there was decrease in the value of stock by 10%. So 4,000 decreased and 36,000 is the value. This after this decrease in the value. Then plant was 1 lakh rupees, and there was increase of 20,000, and 1,20,000 is the value of this plant now. Building was 1,50,000, 10% increase was there of 15,000. Now it is of 1,65,000. If we add this, it comes 5,58,000 on the asset side. Now come to the liability side. Liability side, bills payable, it is given in the question itself, balance sheet. So this is 10,000 rupees. We have just to copy it from there. Then creditors were 58,000 in the old balance sheet. Now 1,000 was unrecorded, so we'll add that. Now it is 59,000 creditors are there. Then comes to outstanding expenses. It is 2,000 in this in old balance sheet, and there was no change in that.
Then comes to the capital. Here the balances of this capital account after all these adjustments is 2,80,000, 2,38,000. We have taken it here. B's capital, B's capital is how much? That is 1,79,000. We have taken it here. Then C's capital is now balance is 1 lakh we have taken, and total comes 5,17,000. And if we add up, it is 5,58,000. 5,88,000 is the total of this liability side. So asset side 5,88,000, and liability side also 5,88,000. This way we can we can solve the question, okay, and we can make the balance sheet, revaluation account, capital account, and it is fluctuating capital account. So this way we have to you have to solve the questions, okay. Journal entry, I told you, when the partner enters into the business, he brings the capital and premium. So cash or bank account debit. Here we have taken bank account debit to partner's capital account, C's capital account to C's to premium of goodwill. Then then there was increase or decrease in the asset. If assets are increased, so particular asset account debit to revaluation account. If it is decreased, so revaluation account DR to that asset. Here like this is increased, this is plant. So plant account debit, building account debit, 20,000 with plant, and 20,000 plant and 15,000 building to revaluation account, okay. And here stock was reduced, so revaluation account here to stock, to provision for debtors 3,000, okay. And if we come to this side, creditors were unrecorded, and the revaluation account here to unrecorded creditors. So this is the journal entry for this here, and we have already done this, and then premium of goodwill is distributed this between these old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So premium of goodwill account debit to this old partners in the A's capital account to B's capital account, 40,000 and 20,000 respectively, okay. Then this capital revaluation account balance transferred to here, whatever profit was there. So revaluation account debit to partners capital account, here 18,000 and 9,000, that is taken here, okay. After this balance, we have taken the balance here, and then balances are transferred like this. So this is the way we have to solve the questions and journal entries. I have told you, you yourself try for that, okay. Try more questions. Thank you.